ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black seats.
Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are doing another bob. The summertime is approaching and we are definitely in bob season, honey. Like, who needs way down hair, sweaty, wet hair? Like, we don't want none of that. So we are getting our bobs from Wiggins because look at the quality. I literally used no type of oil, no product in this hair, and it is just like this, straight out of the box. So this gorgeous wig is actually their 4x4 HD lace closure unit in 12 inches and 180 density. So this bob is coming with a lot of fullness on it, honey. I love the messy look. I honestly would mess it up, but girl, I just worked too hard straightening this unit, honey. And I know that with like the help of humidity, it'll definitely get like more of a controlled fullness to it going on, and I am living for this bob. It is eating the girls up, honey. And if you'd like to get your hands on this unit, the links will be in the description box below. I love this because it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted. All I had to do was put it on, you know, flatten the top and straighten, you know, do my little thingy, and I am good to go. This is also a unit I'm gonna be able to take off. I can shove my comb through it because it is 100% glueless. We do not need to use any glue, nothing, and the wig stays. Like, please feel free to click the links in the description box if you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Wiggins. And let's just jump into today's tutorial so I can show you how to get your glueless units looking just like this.
All you wanna do is gas me, how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, 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 slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Oh, honey, I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the footplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black seats, creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Closing the curtain on the pool's like a banner. Might mess around and get a room with the lights. Got faded and I flew to Miami. I think I lost my visa. Never been the type that wanna be right, I wanna live life. Some say I'm psycho, but this shit hit going cycles. Tell all my rivals, say that drama for your mama. Smoking ganja with my partner, seen the bad one in the lobby, had to stop. She wants sex so good it make a tear fall. Prancing around and had the lid talk. When you're not around, I go through withdrawals. Withdrawals without draws, don't matter at all. I take it all shit.
Lately I've been feeling restless.
Hey guys, this gorgeous unit is from Wiggins hair. They went ahead and sent me this 4x4. It's really giving vibe. Like, this 4x4 is long, honey. HD lace closure unit in 12 inches, and it is a bob. Like, this is like one of the cutest 12-inch bobs I've ever gotten, and it is 180 density. This is one of the thickest, most high quality 12-inch bobs I've gotten. Usually I feel like bobs are just like super low quality for some reason, but honey, this week slayed. 8. I didn't use anything for shine, none of that, and this gorgeous unit came out chef's kiss, bro. When I tell you that this wig is like, I didn't have to do much. Like, all I did was install this unit and voila, like, we are looking like a bag of money. It's giving natural realness. It's giving frontal realness without the frontal commitment, because it is 100% glueless, which means you are literally able to take this wig off whenever you're ready. And if you just want a little more oomph to it, you can just pull the hairs apart just to, you know, get that extra volume flowing, and then probably run through it with a brush so it doesn't look too crazy. Or you could use your comb. I feel like if you use your comb, it'll flatten the unit back out, see, just like this, versus the brush, and you have that little extra volume over here. So if you want to zhuzh it up just a little, just do that and just run through it with the brush, because it'll still keep the volume like on the inside, and you're just pretty much brushing to make sure that everything on the outside looks good. So zhuzh, right? And then a little brush action. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I'm living for the 12-inch realness. It is super soft, silky. I'm loving this hair, and I didn't get any shedding. We are not having any tangling. We're not having any of those weird problems with this gorgeous unit from Wiggins. So if you wanted to know if you should get this, I highly recommend it. It is so gorgeous, and I do have a TikTok on this wig. So if you are interested in TikTok and you don't follow me on TikTok, girl, she's your fave. And yeah, I'm in love with this wig. Super duper nice. Oh my god, the quality is everything. So if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit, which is super duper affordable, by the way, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Wiggins, you literally never disappoint. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.